Hello peeps! Sa anti-lock braking system pa rin tayo. The question is, if your truck is not fitted with an anti-lock braking system, what should you do to prevent the wheels from locking under heavy braking? Letter A, changing down the gears while braking. Letter B, depressing the clutch pedal as you brake. Letter C, rapid pumping of the brake pedal. And letter D, pushing the brake pedal harder until you stop. Bago ang sagot, shoutout po muna tayo kay Binar Tumawis ng Alamada Sultan Kudarat, kay Oliver Pakit, kay Rod Chris ng Tagum, Davao del Norte, at kay Christopher Dilia M. Pedrad ng Negros Occidental. The answer po ay letter C, rapid pumping of the brake pedal. Kasi po yung rapid pumping or tinatawag nating threshold braking, ang ibig sabihin niya po yung mag-a-apply tayo and nagre-release ng pressure sa ating brake pedal in small increments. Kasi po kapag ang vehicle will go into skid, mawawalan po ng traction ng ating mga gulong sa kalsada at ang brakes po ay magla-lock up, causing our vehicles to slide.